Okay, so we're going to show you how to repair a chipped stone. This stone actually fell down and broke on the ground, so it's totally useless this way, but we're going to just put a nice little radius on this using our 5-step system on the universal grinder. We're going to start with the first step, which is the 180 mesh diamond disc. We put it in a position like this. Make sure we always use it with water. Water is really important. Get in position, turn on the water flow. Just a drip, drip, drip is all you need. I'm going to work on this quarter section here because this rotates in a counterclockwise direction like that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hold this piece. And just rounding the shape of this turquoise. As I'm grinding, I'm coming to or towards me with the grind and letting the diamond disc do all the work. I'm not using a whole lot of pressure on here. And what you do is you look at this and you say, okay, so this is the shape that it's going to be. I'm just going to square up a lot of these whole edges around here so I can actually put it into a bracelet piece if I wanted to. So here I just work the whole outside diameter of the stone. So now when I get ready to set it into a sterling silver bezel, it'll be easy to do that. So that's what it looks like now. That's step one on the 180 mesh diamond disc. You see there's some rough edges on here. Now we're going to go back and smooth them out. So we turn off the machine. Always turn off our water flow, move it out of the way, and then we go to our second step, which is the 325 mesh. Now the mirror tool comes with a series of 5 diamond discs, and they're color coded for easy identification. So the 180 mesh diamond does the grinding, and then we've got to go to our 325 mesh diamond resin bond sanding disc. We're not removing any more material at all. All we're doing is smoothing it out. So we're not grinding now, we're sanding or smoothing. And I just work all the way around here like this. Make sure I got a nice even smooth flow on the piece. All the way around. So this is step 2 in a 5-step process. This is what you're looking for when you're done on step 2. Quick and easy. Just like this. And I said it was a 5-step process. A lot of times on softer material like turquoise, lapis, some of your opal material, you can bypass a step. So in this case, we're going to bypass our 600 mesh and go directly to our 1200 mesh resin bond sanding disc. Makes it quick and easy when you're just doing small repair jobs like this. Turn on your water flow and turn on your machine. Now you notice this machine's got variable speed. So as I turn it up, I can turn up the speed on the machine. Generally when I'm doing little repair works, I'm working in the mid-range to low RPM range. Just make sure you get all the surfaces done completely, because if you don't, then you'll have a little bit of scratching, and the scratches will polish, but you'll still see a little bit of lines in there on the what we call polishing lines. that's 1200 mesh. You can see that you're starting to see a little bit of a shimmer in here. The last and final step is a 14,000 mesh diamond compound on our white polishing pad. What this does is that puts that final finish on it. Now the machine comes with this, but a lot of the Native American silversmiths, a lot of the people that work in a lot of turquoise like to finish it off with their regular silver polishing, which may be a Zam or a Fabulous or Rouge. We're going to finish it on our 14,000 mesh diamond compound now. Turn off our machine, move the water out of the way. And what I've just showed you is start to finish, no cuts, no retakes. There's the repair job on a little piece of turquoise. And it's that simple.